Hi, this is JT with WTI, and today we are looking at the brand new iPhone 13. This model is in white. They call this Starlight, but it comes in a lot of different colors. It comes in blue, black, pink, red, and of course the white here. The black, they also have another name for it. They call it Midnight, if you're looking for it. Also, if onboard storage is a big concern, you can go anywhere from 128 gigabytes at the entry model to 256 or all the way up to 512 gigabytes if you want to have plenty of storage on the device. As far as the fit and feel of the phone, it's very premium. It has the glass back and it's got the aluminum edge banding for a really nice feel. It's square like most of the recent iPads are, so that's going to be very familiar to you. The two rear camera lenses are set diagonally, which apparently is supposed to help with image stabilization. This camera produces beautiful pictures and video in 4K. The battery life on this phone is plenty to get you through the day for most people with regular usage. This is my wife's phone. She just got it, and it was very easy to set up. It works with your other Apple devices. She has an iPad, a MacBook, and an Apple Watch, and also her previous iPhone. And she was able to use any of those really to activate the phone and transfer all of her data from her iCloud backup. It was a very seamless process. If you are in the market for one of the latest iPhone 13 models and you are looking for a balance between features, price, screen size, and battery life, the iPhone 13 is probably the one you want to choose, and that's my point of view.